Want to supercharge your marketing with AI? I'm going to show you the top 3 features of ChatGPT Speedy Marketing plugin. But here's the twist. I want to see how creative you can be with these features. Watch, learn, and then take the challenge to post your own unique use cases in the comments below. Let's jump in. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of generative AI. Today, we're focusing on the Speedy Marketing plugin, a powerful tool that leverages the capabilities of ChatGPT. The first feature we're going to talk about is social media post generation. This feature generates social media posts based on the content of a website. This can be used to promote the website on various social media platforms, increasing its visibility and reach. Alternatively, it can also be a super fast way for content creators to generate social media posts from information source documents or websites. In the following video, watch as I sourced a cheat sheet for learning MySQL from overapi.com. Selected a small portion of the information on the sheet, namely, the Select Queries section, and asked Speedy Marketing to extract that information. I then asked the Speedy Marketing plugin to turn that small information fragment into a Twitter post. Next up is SEO Blog Generation. This feature allows you to generate a blog post based on a website URL. The blog post is optimized for search engine visibility, helping to increase the website's online presence. In the following video, you'll notice that I took the same information fragment from the first example and then asked the Speedy Marketing plugin to make it into a blog post. Pro tip: ChatGPT and its plugins can create amazing copy that is easy to copy and paste, but it can be a little generic at times. If you truly want to stand out, don't forget to add your own personal touches to the outlines or content generated. Finally, we have web content analysis. The Speedy Marketing plugin can analyze the content of a website and provide insights into its performance. This can be used to make informed decisions about content strategy and SEO efforts. Alternatively, it can also be useful for content creators to generate copy based on the source information analyzed. You'll see in the following video example that I asked the Speedy Marketing plugin to analyze an article from the copyblogger.com website on best practices for creating engaging copy for landing pages. I then asked it to use that information, plus some background information I had provided for context, to generate engaging and SEO-optimized copy for my new landing page. The focus of the landing page is for starting a fictitious newsletter about learning to code. Now, here's where the challenge comes in. I've shown you what the Speedy Marketing plugin can do, but I want to see what your ideas are, and give everyone a chance to let their creativity shine. Can you come up with a creative use case for this plugin and its features? Post your ideas in the comments below, and let's see who can come up with the most interesting and/or useful application. Let's push the boundaries of what artificial intelligence can do. Side note: any ideas put forward in the comments section are to be treated with kindness and respect. This is a place to learn and grow together as a community of artificial intelligence enthusiasts. Toxic comments are not welcome and will not be tolerated. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on generative AI. And remember, the challenge is on. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time. Keep exploring the possibilities of artificial intelligence and ChatGPT plugins.